Hello, good morning aspirants. How are you? I hope you will be fine. हमारे चैनल बायोलॉजी नगरी में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. We are going to discuss a very important topic as per NEET as well as board, which is human circulatory system. And we all know that human circulatory system consists of human heart as well as the arteries, veins and capillaries which are adjoining the human heart. तो ह्यूमन हार्ट को समझने से पहले हमको हार्ट के फंक्शंस, हार्ट के स्ट्रक्चर्स और उसके चेंबर्स को बहुत अच्छे से समझना होगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट ह्यूमन हार्ट. So first of all, I am going to draw a structure of human heart on which I will explain you the mechanism and the functioning of human heart. So if we assume this structure of a human heart containing 4 chambers, namely the right auricle, the right ventricle, this is the right ventricle, and on other hand the left auricle. This auricle is also known as atrium. Okay, so don't get confused that auricle and atrium are two different things. Those are separate things. These are very similar things, also known as atrium or auricle. This is left auricle, or we can say left atrium. In this is a left ventricle. So what we have concluded that human heart has 4 chambers, namely the right auricle, left auricle, the right ventricle and left ventricle. Now we will further discuss about all the separate function of all the separated chambers. First of all, we have to know that there is a valve in between the right auricle and right ventricle, which is called tricuspid valve. So let's draw the tricuspid valve. So tricuspid valve is present in between these 2 chambers of heart. So let's draw that. This is our tricuspid valve. This is our tricuspid valve. The meaning of tricuspid valve is hidden in this word tricuspid. Tri means 3, cuspid means gated. So 3 gated chamber valve is present in between the right auricle and the right ventricle. So we call these valves as a tricuspid valve. Similarly, on other side, between left auricle and left ventricle, there is a 2 gated valve which is called bicuspid valve. So let's draw the bicuspid valve. This is bicuspid valve. So as similar as tricuspid valve, the meaning of bicuspid is also hidden in these words. Bi means 2 and cuspid means gated. Okay, so these valves are 2 gated and these are 3. So namely tricuspid and bicuspid. Okay. Now, what happens when we talk that deoxygenated blood comes from the other parts of body toward the heart for purification or oxygenation, that the oxygenated blood might again supplied in the other part of our body as per requirement. So first, the right auricle will be the first side to receive the deoxygenated blood. Now the question rises, the deoxygenated blood comes from where? So our answer is from the 3 arteries, which are superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and the coronal sinus. So let's see on the diagram where is the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and the coronal sinus. So let's on the diagram. These right auricle contains all the 3, which are, this is superior vena cava. I am writing in short SVC, which means superior vena cava. and from the downward, this is inferior vena cava, IVC. This is inferior vena cava and this is superior vena cava. And in between, intermediate of these superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, there is a coronal sinus. What is this? Coronal sinus. So by the help of these three, superior vena cava, coronal sinus and the inferior vena cava, all deoxygenated blood reaches the right auricle, or we can say that right atrium. So first site for the receiving of deoxygenated blood is the right auricle. After receiving by the right auricle, these deoxygenated blood goes in the right ventricle, that is just below it, by the help of tricuspid valve. And when the right ventricle receives those deoxygenated blood, these right ventricle supplies this deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation, because we know that the deoxygenated blood lacks the concentration of oxygen. There is a very less concentration of oxygen in the deoxygenated blood.